What's going on, everybody? Back for number 5 in this series. This is going to be on my Glock 44. This is the newest Glock that they came out with. It is in 22 long rifle. This thing here is basically meant to be more of a trainer pistol because it is the exact same size as the Glock 19. And should be pretty much the same as a Glock 23. I don't have the exact numbers right in front of me. But this is a extremely lightweight pistol. Comes with your standard Glock sights. Comes with a 10-round magazine. This right here is the biggest shortcoming, I think, for this weapon, is that Glock decided to only do a 10-round magazine. I don't know why. Glock, step up your game. Come out with something more. It works the exact same as the 23 that I showed earlier this week. And so let me get the camera turned down and I will show you how everything works. All right, so here we go. It's the exact same as the other ones. Pull back, pull your tabs down, push forward. Now with this, it's going to be your same thing. You get your frame, you get your spring, and then you've got your barrel. Now, what you see is what you got. It's the exact same as the 23, which makes it nice because then you become familiar with the mechanisms with it, which is the whole point to this weapon, is that it makes training a lot cheaper because a 22 can go for about 3 cents a round and a 9mm goes for about 20 cents a round, prior to everything that's going on right now where you can spend $1 a round for a 9mm. Yeah, you ain't gonna see me doing that. Again, like I said, toothbrush is a great item to have in your toolbox for your guns, just because you can get into a lot of stuff. Same thing with your Q-tips. Gets in to all the nooks and crannies and allows you to clean really well into them without having to use any sort of specialty tools. And again, Q-tips are cheap. A lot of people ask about lubrication and stuff like that. This is some Hops 9 lubricating oil. Highly recommend Hops 9. It's pretty much the gold standard out there. You don't necessarily need to lube every time after you shoot. Some people do, some people don't. Because a lot of times the guns, the lube is in there really well, and you don't necessarily want to over oil your guns. I know Anderson, for AR-15s, they have a line out that says that you never have to lubricate them. I've never shot it, so I don't know any of that personally. But I digress. Back to this. And again, it's simple to put it back together. Put your barrel in, slide it back. Take your spring, put it in. Spring goes back in there. Put your tabs. Function check. And we're good to go. Now, stand by and I'll have some film of me shooting it.
Copy.